In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Wix dashboard tracking screen console in Chrome and view your traffic overview analytics. To get started, make sure you're using the Chrome browser and that you're already signed in to your Wix account. Once you're inside your Wix dashboard, take a moment to get familiar with the layout on the left side of the screen. This is where Wix organizes the main navigation options, and it's the quickest way to move between different management and reporting tools for your site. From the left sidebar, scroll down through the structural menu until you find Analytics and Reports. Depending on your screen size or the number of tools visible in your dashboard, you may need to move down a little further to locate it. When you see Analytics and Reports, click on it to open the tracking and reporting area of the Wix dashboard. This section is where Wix gathers key performance information, making it easier to understand how people are interacting with your website over time. After the Analytics and Reports section opens, look for the option labeled Traffic Overview. Go ahead and click that. This will load the live graphical analysis summary reports for your site's traffic performance. Give it a moment if needed, especially if the dashboard is loading a larger set of recent data. Once the traffic overview screen appears, you'll be able to review several important metrics in one place. These reports typically show your site visits, which help you understand how often your website is being accessed. You'll also see unique visitor totals, which are useful for identifying how many individual users are coming to your site rather than just counting repeat visits. In addition, you can view bounce rates, which give you insight into how often visitors leave after viewing only one page. This can be especially helpful when evaluating whether your landing pages are engaging and relevant to your audience. As you review the graphs and summaries, pay attention to overall patterns rather than focusing only on a single moment of activity. Trends across days or weeks can often tell you much more about your site's performance. If the numbers seem lower or higher than expected, that's completely normal when checking live analytics, since traffic can fluctuate throughout the day. And that's it. By opening the Wix dashboard in Chrome, selecting Analytics and Reports from the left sidebar, and then clicking Traffic Overview, you can quickly access a clear visual summary of your website traffic and visitor behavior.